Welcome to my English tutorial channel Make English Easy. Today I will solve preposition exercise 91 of Wren and Martin. Exercise in composition 91. Please subscribe my channel to get exciting videos. I come to the point. So before I tell you the answer, please write down in your exercise book your answer, then check with my answer. Number 1, no doubt he has achieved much, but I cannot give him credit dash all that he boasts dash. So it will be credit for and boast of. Okay, credit for, boast of. Number 2, the despotism of custom is everywhere, the standing hindrance dash human achievement. Hindrance 2. Number 3, he is indebted dash his friend for a dash a large sum. Indebted to his friend for a large sum. Indebted to someone for something. Okay, indebted to someone for something. Number 4, what Dr. Arnold mainly aimed dash was to promote the self development of the young minds committed dash his charge. Mainly aimed at, committed to. Number 5, he was so much enamored dash her that he forgot his duties dash his children. Enamored of, that he forget his duties to his children. Number 6, it is difficult to agree dash those critics who ascribe the work of Shakespeare dash Bacon. Agree with someone, always remember agree with someone. ঠিক আছে, that it is difficult to agree with those critics who ascribe the work of Shakespeare to Bacon. Number 7, in his autobiography he refers dash his abhorrence dash animal. Refers to abhorrence of. Number 8, he conversed dash us dash subjects dash various interest. He conversed with us. Okay. He conversed with us on subjects of varied interest. He conversed with us on subject of varied interest. The accident happened dash him dash a late hour and dash an hour dash an out of the way place. The accident happened to him at a late hour in and out of the way place. Number 10, a cashier is liable to render account dash money received dash him. Account for the money received by him. The soldiers dash the fort were provided dash provisions to last them a year, which the soldiers in the fort were provided with WITH. The soldiers in the fort were provided with provisions to last them a year. Number 12. We are accountable dash God dash our action. We are accountable to God for our actions. Number 13. Let us vie dash one another dash doing good. Let us vie with one another in doing good. Number 14. His thirst dash knowledge left him no leisure dash anything else. Number 14. His thirst for knowledge left him no leisure for anything else. Number 15. The rich and the poor alike. Nobody responded the call dash further funds. Responded to the calls for further funds. Number 16. For those who suffer dash nerves, the remedy lies dash perfect rest. For those who suffer from nerves, the remedy lies in perfect rest. Number 17. A slave lies dash the necessity dash obeying his master orders. Here a slave lies, here lies means compulsion, so it will be under. Okay, lies under means compulsion. Lies under a necessity of obeying his master orders. Number 18. The here dash the throne was free dash physical or moral taint. Here to the throne was free from physical or moral taint. Number 19. He impressed dash them that sorcery was vital dash their success. He was impressed on them that sorcery was vital always followed by to, vital to. Number 20. Methylated spirit is spirit of wine made undrinkable by mixing with methyl to exempt from duty. Number 21. To love our country, to be interested dash its concern is natural to men. Interested in its concern natural to men. He complained dash his weak eyes and lamented the necessity dash spectacles. So he complained of, and here you can use either for or of. So with necessity you can use either either for or of anyone, or for or of. Number 23. Samudragupta was known dash his skill dash music and song. He was equally proficient dash the allied art property. So known for his skill in music and song, and proficient always followed by in. Number 24. It is the grasping of power combined dash the thirst dash fame with fame which constitutes ambitions. So combined is always followed by with, combined with, and thirst for. Number 25. It would be well for us to admire what is worthy dash admiration in such a people rather than carp their errors. Carp means, for your synonym, carp means blame. Okay, write it down, blame. Worthy of carp carbon. Okay, next. Number 26. The common fallacy is that intimacy dispenses dash the necessity of politeness. The truth is just the opposite. Here dispense with, okay, dispense with and necessity, and opposite. Here see, we know when opposite is used as adjective we use to. Example, the hotel opposite to our house. But when we use opposite as noun we use of. Opposite of. Now 27. The title master was originally prefixed dash the name of a person of rank or learning, is now restricted dash boys. Prefixed to and restricted to. Number 28. The ticket will entitle you dash a free seat in the concert. Entitle you to a free ticket. Entitled to. Number 29. History as well as daily experience furnishes instances of men endowed always followed by with. Endowed with, okay, endowed with the strongest capacity for. Always remember capacity for. Next, okay, who have the rest lines, the who have all their lives crouched under the slavery of grotesque superstition. Number 30. He has no liking for liking for cards, and lately he has taken a like to, so dislike to outdoor exercise. Number 31. At first they refused to acquiesce dash the terms acquiesce in, but finally they yielded to the logic of facts. 32. The hippopotamus feeds chiefly dash aquatic plants, feeds on, but also seeks its foods on land, and is sometimes is destructive too. 33. Learning is knowledge, especially as acquired from study, acquired from FROM. It is frequently contrasted with knowledge or wisdom gained through action. 34. At the 11th hour he retired from the contest, leaving the field open to his opponent. So retired from open to. Copernicus, it will be Copernicus shooting. Coriolanus, with all his greatness, was entirely devoid, always followed by off, devoid of all sympathy, for the people. Next, 36. From this time he became habitually depressed and moody, and addicted dash frequent use dash calcul. Addicted to use of. 37. The first acts of new administration were characterized rather dash vigor than judgment. We use by both, rather by vigor, by what happened by judgment. Number 38. They were statesmen accustomed always followed by to, accustomed the management dash of great affairs, management of. Measure yourself dash your equals and learn dash frequent competition, the place which nature has allotted dash you. So measure yourself, measure with someone, measure yourself with your equals and learn from frequent competition, the place which nature has allotted, always followed by to. So we have come to the last one. Contrary dash my instructions, he went dash his depth, and would certainly have made a fatal mishap but for timely help rendered him. Contrary, always follow to. Contrary to my instructions, he went beyond his depth and would certainly have met with a fatal mishap, but for timely help rendered to. So it was very hard. Contrary to my instructions, he went beyond his depth and would certainly have met with a fatal mishap, but for the timely help rendered to him. Okay, so it was very big exercise. So I have taught you one synonym. Carp means blame, and in number 26, opposite, when opposite is adjective, then use to. Opposite to. The hotel opposite to our house is big, something like that. And opposite, when opposite is used as noun, opposite of. So what is the example? 26, yes. The truth is opposite. Here it is noun, so it is opposite of. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe. So it was a very big exercise and very important one. So I will read one by one. No doubt he has achieved much, but I cannot give him credit for all that he boasts of. The despotism of custom is everywhere, the standing hindrance to human achievement. He is indebted to his friend for a large sum. What Dr. Arnold mainly aimed at was to promote self-development of the young minds committed to his change. He was so much enamored of her that he forgot his duties to his children. It is difficult to agree with those critics who ascribe the work of Shakespeare to Bacon. In his autobiography, he refers to his abhorrence of animal diet. Number 8, he conversed with us on subjects of various interest. Number 9, the accident happened to him at a late hour in and out of the way place. Number 10, a cashier is liable to render account for the money received by him. Number 11, the soldier in the fort were provided with provisions to last them a year. Number 12, we are accountable to God for our actions. Number 13, let us vie with one another in doing good. Number 14, his thirst for knowledge left him no leisure for anything else. Number 15, the rich and the poor alike, nobody responded to the call for further funds. Number 16, for those who suffer from nerves, the remedy lies in perfect rest. A slave lies under means compulsion. Okay, thus a slave lie under means compulsion, lie under the necessity of obeying his master's orders. The heir to the throne was free from physical and moral taint. He impressed on them that sorcery was vital to his success. Maryland, number 20, methylated spirit is spirit of wine made undrinkable by mixing it with methyl to exempt from duty. Number 21, to love our country, to be interested in its concerns is natural to all men. Number 22, he complained of his weak eyes and lamented the necessity for spectacles. Samudragupta was known for his skill in number 23. Samudragupta was known for his skill in music and song. He was equally proficient in allied art of poetry. Number 24, it is grasping of power combined with the thirst for fame which constitute ambition. Number 25, it would be well for us to admire what is worthy of admiration in such a people rather than to carp on errors. Next, number 26, the common fallacy is that intimacy dispenses with the necessity of politeness. The truth is just opposite of this. The master was originally prefixed to the name of a person of rank of learning. Now it is now restricted to boys. Number 28, the ticket will entitle you to a free seat at the concert. Number 29, history as well as daily experience furnishes in instances of men endowed with his strongest capacity for business and affairs who have all their lives crouched under the slavery of grotesque superstitions. Number 30, he has no liking for cards and lately he has taken a dislike to outdoor exercise. Number 31, at first he refused to acquiesce in the terms but finally yielded to the logic of facts. Number 32, the hippopotamus feeds chiefly on aquatic plants but also seeks his food on land and is sometimes destructive to cultivated crops. Number 33, learning is knowledge, especially as acquired from study. It is number 33. Learning is knowledge, especially acquired from study. It is frequently contrasted with knowledge or wisdom gained through experience. Number 34, at the 11th hour, he retired from the contest, leaving the field open to his opponent. Coriolanus, with all his greatness, was entirely devoid of all sympathy for people. 36, from this time he became habitually depressed and moody and addicted to frequent use of alcohol. Number 37, the first act of the new administration were characterized rather by vigor than by judgment. Number 38, they were statesmen accustomed to the management of great affairs. Number 39, measure yourself with your equals and learn from frequent competition the place which nature has allotted to you. Number 40, contrary to my instructions, he went beyond depth and would certainly have met with a fatal mishap but for the timely help rendered to him. So subscribe my channel to get exciting videos. So I have completed exercise in composition of Renan Martin. Thanks for watching.